Good evening, Brussels Airlines Flight 2260, prepare for landing at Brussels Airport from Copenhagen. We have landed at Brussels, Belgium.
Guests are welcome to Brussels Airport. It is now almost 20 minutes to 8 o'clock local time. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight around your waist until we switch on the fasten seatbelt sign. Your laptops and large devices must remain stowed, and please do be careful when opening an overhead locker. Items could fall out. We thank you for flying Brussels Airlines Star Alliance members.